Hello, Anne.
Oh, it's you, Peter. Look, this is it.
Look at what?
My office here near my bed.
Oh, I see. By the way, where the offer supplies?
The computer supplies are in that cupboard over there. The folders, pencil, pens is in this cupboard, and I also have two chairs.
Oh, good. Easy for everyone.
No, they are not. Don't touch anything, please.
Okay. So you say you have all of the offer supplies.
No, not really. There isn't a fax machine. They aren't on the program. I need the computer.
Okay. I guess you have an answering machine. It is useful.
I don't need answering machine. I answer the telephone myself.
Okay, you're right. This offers is nice. And if you need a fax machine, I have one in my apartment.
Oh, thank you.
Wait a minute. Something is missing. Where is the coffee machine? All offers have a coffee machine.
I'm afraid there is one here. There's a star kitchen on the other side of the house. Is a kitchen. We can have some coffee there.
Good idea.